So you bought that for who, really? For you and your girlfriend?
Only for me and my friends, huh? We used to go.
So this is what I'm going to put over there. And I'm gonna watch a movie while taking a bath. Good morning, guys. Today is, hold on now, let me type this on. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, it's not tight. Today is Tuesday, right, hon?
Yeah.
Tuesday 16, I think. 16. August 16. And I'm just watching a few vlogs. Miss Eames, our little Miss Eames, makes me laugh when Vice Ganda play with that pack ganern. So, pack ganern. Pack ganern. And look for it. But anyway, we had breakfast already. I made, well, I just like put it in the pan. Potato, whatever. I don't know. Huh? Hash browns and eggs sunny side up. Me and my husband, and that's it. And he's still fixing his projector because it's not working. And we slept down here last night because my husband is such a baby.
Yeah, I like sleeping in 90 degrees.
He doesn't want to go upstairs because it's hot, but every time I go upstairs, it feels good. It's like, and then the air conditioning is working, so it takes forever to cool down. And it's really nice upstairs. And I don't have a choice. He doesn't want me to go up. And I'm not gonna bother him because he doesn't like to be bothered when he's doing stuff. He's really get paid so quick. He get paid so quick. And there are very small wires that I don't even have any idea where it goes. It's just like stupid wires ever. And I know he hears me. My God. Camera is back. It died upstairs, guys, from humidity. I made a little sleep. In the Philippines, I don't really use gloves, but here I have to, because what if there's something in that, like snakes, ticks would contact my freaking skin, or else I will be freaking out. Because, you know, ticks, when the ticks bite you, that's it. You have to be careful taking them out, or else you will die in the near future. And this one, I can't even take this off. What's wrong with this thing? Sundang, maglampas na ko. Okay, let's go lampas outside. I'm going to clean up the area. I'll show you guys. But I will show you. We have a very unique gate. The gate is very unique and it's very, very for wealthy people only, guys. Can you see? It's wealthy people gate. So you guys don't copy me, okay? Just let me have this unique gate. Before I'm going to start using this, I have to poke every places if there is a snake over there, that I know if there is snake. So I have to do like this. This is what I'm going to do. Watch me. Jacuzzi, don't touch anything.
Oh, I'll pull it out of the fence. If I can. May not be able to. Going too far.
Hi guys! I'm not even done with my cleaning up the garden. We just need, because the pressure washer, it's, and my husband, no patient, he can fix it. He can fix it, and I'm tired of hearing this. Oh my god. F this. F. We're going to Home Depot. I want to go to Walmart to get a pressure washer, but he doesn't want to do it.
You can get what you want at Walmart. The pressure washer, I'd rather get it someplace else.
So
I'll look at Walmart what they got.
okay, we go to Walmart first, and then go to, if we can find a good pressure washer over there. I just don't like spending so much money for pressure washer for like almost 400 euros.
Welcome to MaryAnn.A. Press start to begin. Be brilliant. Sign up for our VIP loyalty. Please insert and hold your key below as shown with your key's teeth to the left.
So you pick the key.
Okay.
Pick the key.
Yeah.
MaryAnn.A has partnered with the National Forest Foundation.
That one. And I'm going outside to continue my stuff. Hold on. My camera is always. Where is my socks? My socks. Huh? I just need to put my socks on, guys, because I'm afraid of the ticks will, will travel first in the foot before going up. So.
They can jump on.
Huh?
They can jump on too.
Yeah. That's what we ordered, guys. That's it. That's it. That's it. So I'm gonna have open this door and open that like that and connect to the garage. And this is what I need. This one right here. What I happen, guys. It's so dirty. But at least I'm cleaning up a little bit over there. Look, it's clean up a little bit. I'm just gonna, I need to put my ring sideways that it won't damage. Sideways. What?
Place enough.
Yeah.
2 pockets for cell phones here.
I know, hon. I see that, hon.
Pocket here for some other stuff.
I know, hon. He's so excited with his black thing.
You what?
You found that in the garage, right?
Yeah, I think that's why I got it, because it was black.
It's crazy.
It's very hard to find these things.
Han, but we never go to the beach, so why are you buying a lot of things?
You what?
We never went to the beach, so why you buying
We can
stuff?
also use them at concerts. So.
Concert. We never go to concert also, so.
I didn't buy them when I met you.
I know, but we buy extra a lot of here. Why you buy it
Well, I
for
bought
who?
them here because we need something to sit on out here.
So you bought that for who really? For you and your girlfriend?
Well, for me and my friends, huh? We used to go hang out.
No, that's for your girlfriend. Bye. Screen here. And so I'm going to make his tuna salad later, guys. I still have a little time. And it's not really hard to make that, so it's very easy. Oh my god. Guys, I will show you how many bees that we got in there. It's a lot. It's a lot of bees. Poor bees. You have a life too. Your daddy kills you. Your daddy kills you. I just left, guys. We've been like busy. I'm going to use the jacuzzi for the first time. That's what I'm going to do. I am just putting water on the jacuzzi, the tub. And I'm gonna take a bath. It's kind of noisy here right now. I just cleaned that tub, so it's really clean. And yeah, it's still no blinds in there. I have to pick up some blind in there because it's kind of ugly. So this is what I'm going to put over there. And I'm gonna watch a movie while taking a bath. Hi guys, I just done my bath. It's really nice. Believe me, that's my first. I take a bath before. I took a bath before in the tub. You know, in the tub it's nice, but jacuzzi, it's really nice, guys. I don't know, it just makes me happy. It's funny thing because that jacuzzi is big and I'm small and light. I am short. So when the machine started. So when the machine started, I keep rolling like this. I'm like this, I keep rolling like that. I can't stop laughing until I choke. I drink some water and I put so much, how do you call that, bubble bath. When the machine start, the bubble just keep building up and I can't. I'm drowning with the bubble. So anyway, I'm just making rice. And it's already 6:30. This is what I got from Walmart. I told my husband I'm gonna get something from Walmart because this is the last one I picked because I really like it. It's I don't know how you call it, with a hood in it, and first good, feels good, comfortable, fits up, and it cost me $10. And I got this one, guys. And this cost me $9.88. $9, like $10. It's nice. This is $13 also, and they sell it for like that price. This is size large, I think. Yeah, it's large. They have medium. It's okay, but as you know, this is for the house and I want it to be comfortable. It's his love. And this is, I think, $7. Yeah, $7.88. White. Very thin, you know, I understand they're cheap because it's very thin fabric. This is large also, and it's $7.88. And I got a kami. It's $1.68. And yeah, so I got burgundy and I got black also, and also this one. It's very long, guys. It's long. Look. And this is Yeah, 7, 8 eat the box also. So that's it, guys. That's my quick haul. Hi guys, good morning. I know it's the next day. I just edited this video now. This is from the other day vlog, and I forget to say goodnight, to say goodbye to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy my craziness vlog. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye bye. Thank you guys, and I'm sorry if I just say bye now for 2 days later. Yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And yeah, I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.